Listen. This is the promise. Yeah. This is the word. In the fire, when the ground feels weak, when the night is heavy, and I can barely speak, I remember truth that never fades, ancient words that still remain. I lift my eyes, I take my stand, faith in my heart, future in his hands. Be strong and courageous, do not be afraid, do not be discouraged. The Lord my God is here to stay. Be strong and courageous, lift your voice and say, He will not leave me, He will not forsake. The Lord your God goes with you. I believe He will never leave you. That's the key, not for a moment, not for a day, not in the storm, not in the pain. He's not distant, He's not delayed. He's the God who walks my way. Every step I take, He's already there. Every road I face, He goes ahead. Be strong and courageous, do not be afraid of the Lord being discouraged. The Lord my God is here to stay. Be strong and courageous, lift your voice and say, He will not leave me, He will not forsake. The Lord Himself goes before you, and He will be with you. He will never leave you nor forsake you. So I will not fear, I will not be dismayed. Who goes before you? Oh, the Lord Himself stays beside you. Oh, the Lord Himself goes before you. Oh, the Lord Himself stays beside you. Oh, the Lord Himself. Be strong and courageous, do not be afraid, do not be discouraged. The Lord my God is here to stay. Be strong and courageous, this is my confession. He will not leave me, He will not forsake. Never forsaken, never alone. The Lord Himself is leading me home.